You guys will see those at some point. You ever have one of those days you just, no. Just have a do-over. I haven't set foot in a Walmart here in a minute. I have a third load going right now. That's gonna be it for tonight. Oh. Afternoon. As you can see, I gotta get my day started. Been another tough week. Having those boundaries in place have definitely made the transition a bit easier for me. Let's get in the shower. But first, let me show you what I'm using. I have ran out of my Dove, so I've got to go and pick up more of that and replenish everything whenever that will be. In the meantime, soft salt, blackberry sugar, and I think I'm going to use the honey lotion that I used in the last shower routine video, and then go in with a perfume oil, blueberry smash. I don't feel like going to get those, but you guys will see those at some point. This is not as scrub-like as it may look like, with all the bubbles that appear to be scrub particles. I have a review on my channel in case you want to check that out. We're just enjoying the moment right now. You ever have one of those days you just, no. Just have a do-over next time. That part. Since you guys have seen me use this, I'm not going to include too much of it. I want to follow up from Sweet Essentials with Blueberry Smash, the perfume oil. Not sponsored. I just happen to love the products. Today is definitely a day to heavily lay on the self-care. So I will see y'all when I am ready. Now I got a couple more things that I need to take care of for today, but we must head out, and you guys will see that in the very next video, not this one. When I return, it's time to continue on decluttering in my place here. Got an hour to play, almost an hour. We are at Walmart. I haven't set foot in a Walmart here in a minute. So I am back. I did pick up a few items from my run to Walmart, including TheraBreath, and I hesitated to try it until today. So if you guys want to hear about what I think about it, please let me know. I did see the moisture boost, but I won't be giving any kind of comments about it because I'd like to put that in an individual video. I have some laundry to fold and more loads to take care of. I think that's how we're going to conclude everything, and I need to get my belly full with some dinner. So while I'm folding, I figured I'd, kill two birds, one stone, figure of speech. Okay, yeah. So I'm using the Downy Infusions fabric softener in lavender and vanilla bean. This has 83 loads, it says. So if you're heavy-handed, you might want to divide that by, maybe a quarter, 3/4. Anywho. I feel like at this point, there's so much I'd like to do, but the best way to tackle things, take my own advice by tackling my projects here in the house, one day at a time to one task, one. So if I have a task for every day I plan out for all the housework, I won't feel overwhelmed. I'm not just suggesting to y'all to do it and then not doing it myself. Like you literally see. I think I'll get done with that so quickly. So I just finished My second load, I have a third load going right now. That's going to be it for tonight. Any progress is good progress. Each increment is like a brick. And when you put those bricks together, you will have an entire wall. That's how we doing it. And everything is staying there, folding it up nice and neat until I get it all done. And then I'm going to put it away. There's a method to it all. There's a strategy to it all. Once this last load has washed me down. Dryer sheets. That's all, folks. Until next time, I love you all.